fly rockets to Jupiter and Mars, but when it comes to woodworking, we still use an old-fashioned pencil with unquestioned reverence to it. So today I'm going to challenge this tradition by demonstrating just how limiting a pencil is to your woodworking efficiency, and share with you a better way for marking out your woodwork that I discovered over 40 years ago and which I have included in my woodworking books. Now, I wouldn't share anything that doesn't work for me. Let's first take a quick look at using a pencil in everyday woodworking. Squaring a line around the wood. All starts well, and of course I'm using face marks as references to ensure the line joins up at the end when using a tri-square. But look at the line when it does meet up. It's almost twice the line thickness. Is that the accuracy woodworkers expect or indeed accept? You see, the pencil blunts as it draws. But maybe you're saying, well, use a hard-leaded pencil. Did I mention the word lead? But with an H or 2H pencil you can hardly see the line on some timbers, and especially when going down the grain. And then there is the problem of pencil lead breaking. Of course the carpenter's pencil is oval to stop it rolling off the bench, but honestly it's got the accuracy of a telegraph pole. Okay, so let's now use a ballpoint pen for the same task. You can see straight away the line is clear, bold, and it's consistent in thickness, so that when the lines do join up they are seamless. Now how satisfying is that? Now of course a ballpoint pen can smudge, so always get a quality pen. And the secret is to practice marking a fine line and not being tempted to indent the wood with a line that could be used for, well, the Irish or Mexican border. I shouldn't joke. But the thing to do is find a quality ballpoint pen that works really well for you, and they are improving all the time. Now I'm not saying never use a pencil. They do come in handy where accuracy is not that critical, as indeed a fibre tip marker does for certain jobs. But I am amazed so many woodworkers, especially those with an engineering background and who use vernier gauges on wood, still use a pencil that blunts as it draws. Well, if you're a genius woodworker, you'll have no need to use any marking or referencing implement. As the guy who created this silver service clamshell casket back in the 1970s did it virtually out of his head. Wow. Well, please leave a comment if you know of any woodwork examples besides wood turnery where a marking implement is not necessary. Thanks for watching, please be safe and have fun, and don't forget, keep your pencil sharp. Oh, I nearly forgot to mention one of the most important benefits of using a ballpoint pen. When trying to get a joint to fit perfectly first time, you saw to the line but leave the entire line on, which makes the joint oversized by about 0.5 mm, the thickness of the pen mark. Try it.